How I mastered Japanese independently. 5 actionable steps. So many people find it daunting when they start to learn Japanese. With its unique characters and sounds, it might seem overwhelming. You may spend hours memorizing kanji, practicing hiragana and katakana, and still feel distant from fluency. But before you decide it's too challenging, don't despair. In this video, I'll give you 5 effective strategies that have aided me in mastering Japanese. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip on enhancing your pronunciation and fluency. I fell in love with the beauty of Japanese culture when I was a teenager. Animated shows, movies, and the tranquil beauty of Japan fascinated me. In school, I got introduced to basic Japanese, but the traditional teaching method felt tedious. So, I immersed myself in Japanese dramas, music, and YouTube videos. Passion drove me to even enroll in a specialized Japanese language course in college, though I later realized self-learning was more my style. Now, I'm confidently conversing, reading, and even creating content in Japanese. Tip number 1. Immerse yourself in a Japanese environment. Change your device's language settings, watch anime in original voices, and try engaging with Japanese content on platforms like YouTube. If you come across a new word, instead of straight up translating it, try understanding its context. Tip number 2. Practice speaking regularly. It's easy to understand, but challenging to articulate thoughts in Japanese. Engage in online chat rooms, practice with fellow learners, or just speak to yourself in Japanese. Describe your day, mimic characters from shows, or even start your content channel. Tip number 3. Intensify your listening. Listening aids understanding and improves pronunciation. Japanese music, dramas, or anime can be both entertaining and educational. The more you listen, the more you acclimate to the sounds and intonations of the language. Tip number 4. Grasp the grammar. Yes, it's essential. Dedicate time weekly to understand various grammar rules. Then practice them in your daily conversations. It's not about memorizing, but understanding the application. Tip number 5. Enjoy the journey. Japanese learning doesn't need to be strenuous. Combine your interests. If you love cooking, try Japanese recipes. If you're into gaming, play Japanese games. Dive into the culture and the language will follow. Tip number 6. Bonus. Practice reading aloud. Pick a manga or any Japanese book. Focus on pronunciation. Don't fret about making mistakes. Consistent practice will enhance your reading and speaking fluency. Combining all these methods, you'll witness significant progress in your Japanese language journey. Remember, mastering a language is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay persistent, and soon you'll find yourself comfortably chatting away in Japanese. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Sayonara.